Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. It's almost 11:50 in the morning, and today we have a special delivery to unbox. This we had been waiting for this shipment for a very long time. I know थोड़ा I'm looking a bit sleepy, my face is a bit swollen. कल रात को ठीक से सोया नहीं हूँ तो उसकी वजह से there is little dizziness on me still, but anyways, coming to the बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द डे. सो आज एक स्पेशल शिपमेंट आया है हमारे पास. वी हैड बीन वेटिंग फॉर दिस शिपमेंट सिंस लाइक ऑलमोस्ट February. Yeah, there were some delays which had gone in between, and बोलते हैं ना बड़ी दूर से आया है. So this came from Germany. It's for a special bike, obviously. I'm not going to tell you what bike it is, but I'll show you what parts these are, and you can guess, if you can, which bike it would be for. So let's go for the unboxing. So now it's time to unbox the delivery. It's raining outside. There is Derek Xerox. That's my deal. Okay, anyways, now Derek here is gonna help me unbox it. We have just done a setup for the reels. Ignore it, please. So Derek, let's start.
Yes, start.
Guess what's inside? What's inside? Guess. Ooh, बक्से के अंदर बक्सा. Another box. Come on, Derek. Fast. Quick. People are waiting to see what's inside. Ooh. Can't wait to get my hands on one of these. So, what is it that it is gonna be? What's it? Can you see?
Paper में paper.
पेपर में पेपर. अच्छी बात है.
Ooh, shiny.
Ooh, shiny. Yes, this is carbon fiber. Carbon fiber parts for a special bike from FF Carbon, all the way from Germany. Probably this, I'm not pretty sure if these parts have gone on, any other bike, but I guess if at all they have not gone, this is gonna be the first bike with FF Carbon parts in India. Bike, till then you can guess what bike it is. This is a part of that bike. So if you all can guess what bike it is gonna be, let's see. We have opened up the entire box. All the parts are put down, and we were just checking if there are any scratches, damages or anything, but no, the packing was way good. It came safely traveling such a huge distance. So basically what happens is, when it's a shipment what has to travel from across one country to another, usually the packing matters a lot. There have been instances where dealers like us have faced issues and parts have got damaged in transit and all. So that time dealers have to bear a huge loss. So we ideally make sure that whenever a part reaches to us, we open it up first and check if it is gonna be the best for the customers. So now I'll just take you a quick walk through all the parts, and maybe it might help you guess better what bike it is gonna be. So let's see. Here are all the parts. These all are carbon fiber parts, and this, I'll just give you a hint, it's gonna be on the front windshield area. And all the parts. So Derek is all excited to see the bike once the parts go on them. Derek, क्या बोलता है, कितने का रहेगा ये माल?
पता नहीं रे.
तभी भी बोल ना, कितने का माल रहेगा? देख ना, पूरा कार्बन फाइबर है, ऊपर से बाहर से आया है, तो उस पे तो इम्पोर्ट वगैरह सब है. तो बोल दे, बोल.
1-2 लाख.
अरे पांडू, इसमें तेरा 2 एरोक्स आएगा.
नहीं.
हाँ, इसमें तेरा 2 एरोक्स आएगा, 2 एरोक्स.
क्या बोल रहे?
So these are all the parts. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep guessing what bike it is gonna be, and I'll keep you updated. Thank you.